What's up YouTube? Welcome to another Thursday Tutorials. I'm Pedro Salgado and I'm here to teach you how to do parkour. This week's move, as requested, it's gonna be the reverse vault. This move might look very cool, but it's also very useful. Let's see how the steps are and go through them right now. So before we go to any step, we have to figure out which side we spin, because reverse is kind of a spin. So you want to do it to the right or you want to do it to the left. To figure out this, you jump up and do 360. Okay? If you can do it better for one side than the other, it means that's the side you should try the reverse for the first time. Step number one of the reverse, the takeoff. So as a vault, you're going to run into the obstacle. Don't do it too fast for the first times. And you're going to try to jump into the takeoff. Like the takeoff, the last two steps, are going to be a skateboard. So you want to put your feet as you fit them into a skateboard, okay? Because you're going to have the feet slightly diagonal to start this move, alright? As you put the feet, you also go down. So you'll be able to jump when you're ready for the second step. Step number two of the reverse vault, the technique. After you being in the skateboard position, ready to take off, you're going to put the opposite hand of your spin. I spin to the left, I'm going to put my right hand on the left side of my body. So like this, I cross my body with my arm. And this hand, as you jump, is going to push the obstacle down and you're going to start spinning. Here, while you do this jump, the back leg is going to be the first one to go over the obstacle. So this leg that is in the back, you tuck it over the obstacle and it's also going to be the first leg to arrive in the other side on the ground. Step number three of the reverse vault, it's the landing. After you go over the obstacle, the first leg to arrive on the ground is the leg that controls a little bit the landing, and the second one stops the rotation and then you keep running. So try to not spin too fast in the first times, go slowly with the progressions I'm going to give you right now, and good luck. Thank you guys for watching this video. It was a pleasure to teach you the reverse vault. Write down in the comments which technique do you want me to teach you next week, and I will be here for you. Also, subscribe to this channel. I will release new POVs, some training videos, and every Thursday I will be here in the gym teaching you how to do parkour. See you there as fast as you can.